Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at heavy flooding in Chennai, India on November the 7th, 2021. The heaviest rainfall in half a decade caused evacuations as roads filled with water. Some residents used boats to travel and rescue others. Vehicles have been destroyed as they became submerged in water. Shops were filled with water as well, destroying food and other goods. Emergency food camps have been set up to help affected citizens. Fear of the spread of disease have raised as sewer water leaks into the streets. Factories and other businesses have been forced to close due to the severity of the flooding, with residents advised not to leave their homes. The heavy rain has been caused by cyclonic circulation in the Bay of Bengal and is expected to continue for several days. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.